Here, you're not just looking for stability, you're looking for a board that unlocks CPU overclocking, brings modern connectivity, and offers enough headroom for future upgrades without wandering into unnecessary premium prices. The boards that stand out are MSI Pro Z790A Max Wi-Fi, MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi, and Gigabyte Z790 AORUS Elite AX. All three are Z790 boards, which means full CPU overclocking, strong power delivery, PCIe 5.0 GPU support, and multiple M2 slots for fast storage. Here's where things get interesting. Each one is strong, but one of them consistently delivers the best balance of performance, features, and long-term value, and that's the MSI Pro Z790A Max Wi-Fi. Its strength comes from doing the fundamentals extremely well. The 16+1+1 VRM handles the 14600K without breaking a sweat, even if you push a mild overclock. You get built-in Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN, 4 PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, and a very clean ATX layout that works great for gaming or productivity. And unlike some boards in this tier, it avoids unnecessary gamer tax features that inflate the price for no real gain. This is why many reviewers call it the sweet spot. It delivers everything the average 14600K build needs without drifting into the higher price bands that don't add practical value for this CPU. If you want something a little more performance-focused with beefier heatsinks and a more enthusiast-leaning design, then MSI's Z790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi is the natural next step. It shares similar VRM strength, but is tuned for builders who care about cooler VRMs and a more premium feel. If you want a clean white build or prefer Gigabyte's BIOS, the Z790 AORUS Elite AX Ice is the go-to alternative. It performs well, looks fantastic, and matches the 14600K perfectly for mid-range and upper-mid builds. So the board that fits the best overall value label most naturally is the MSI Pro Z790A Max Wi-Fi. It's the right mix of modern features, unlocks full CPU potential, and avoids paying extra for features you don't actually use.